Welcome to the installation guide for 3W liners. Before installation, remove any protective film or stock mats and clear away dirt and debris. Then place the driver's side floor mat into position. Slide the mat into position and align it with the contours of the vehicle floor. Once it's properly seated, line up the retention clip with the factory mounting point and press down firmly to secure the mat. Now, repeat the same process for the front passenger side. Position the mat carefully and make sure all edges sit flush against the floor for a clean custom fit. Install the rear floor mat after removing the stock ones. Slide it into position and adjust it to make it fit. Ensure the mat lays flat and covers the rear floor area evenly. Before installing the trunk mat, please make sure the trunk floor panel is in the upper deck position. Finally, place the trunk mats into the trunk. Make sure to align all the edges carefully to get maximum protection from 3W's floor mat. That's it! Your 3W liners are now fully installed and ready to protect your Nissan Rogue. Thank you for watching.